In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a Baldwin Touchscreen deadbolt. The door and door jamb needs to be prepared as per the supplied template. These are the components included in the kit. First, determine if your deadbolt latch needs adjusting. If the back set of your door measures 2 3/4 inches, adjust the latch by rotating latch body, making sure your deadbolt is extended. Insert the latch with the slot facing down into your door and secure with 1/2-inch screws. To install the exterior assembly and mounting plates, first ensure the tailpiece is vertical and install the wire below the latch. Route the cable through the center hole of the mounting plate. Slide the wire down into the lower slot in the mounting bracket and install the panhead screws. Install the interior assembly by removing the battery pack and make sure the slot in the electronics is in a vertical position. Connect the cable to the interior assembly. Align the arrows on the plugs and slide them together. Lay excess cable flat inside the bottom housing. Slide the electronics onto the tailpiece. Secure the electronics to the mounting bracket using the 2 1/4-inch long screws into the lower holes of the bracket. Install 4 AA batteries in the battery pack to begin the door handing process. The door handing process teaches the lock which way the door swings open, left or right. Insert the battery pack while pressing and holding the program button for 3 seconds. The status LED will flash red and green and the lock will beep. Press and release the program button again. The deadbolt will not fully retract but will fully extend. When the lock is done handing, it will beep twice. If the latch bolt does not retract and extend on its own, remove battery pack, wait 15 seconds, and attempt the process again. Turn the turn piece so the slot of the turn knob assembly is in a vertical position. Using the 3 1/4-inch long screws, installing the lower one first, then one on each side of the turn knob assembly. Your electronic touchscreen deadbolt is now installed.